there! Welcome back! Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up a delicious and healthy peanut chaat in just 2 minutes. You have been with us for the last 12 days in this journey to lose belly fat and also learn some interesting weight loss recipes. Thank you for your time and dedication. So let's begin. This is a fantastic snack that's loaded with protein and perfect for any time of the day. First things first, you'll need some boiled peanuts. Make sure they're soft but not mushy. Overcooking can ruin the texture, so be careful with that. Now let's move on to the veggies. Finely chop 1 onion, 1 tomato, and 1 green chili. For a bit of crunch, grate a carrot into fine shreds. Trust me, this adds a wonderful texture to the chaat. In a mixing bowl, combine the boiled peanuts, chopped onion, tomato, carrots, and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. This mix is already looking colorful and appetizing. Now it's time to add some spices. In a separate bowl, mix together half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and salt to taste. Sprinkle this spice mix over your peanut and veggie combo. Give it a good toss to make sure everything is evenly coated. Finally, the magic touch. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the chaat and give it another toss. The lemon juice not only adds a zesty flavor but also helps in bringing all the ingredients together. And there you have it. A quick, healthy, and absolutely delicious peanut chaat ready to be devoured. Perfect for your evening snack with a hot cup of tea or coffee. Thank you for being with us, as today is our last of this belly fat loss journey. But don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe at The Daily Dose for you for more such health tips and trends. Keep showing the love.